Hi, this is Tina with OSnapLet'sEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese 3-cup chicken wings. First, gather your ingredients. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 inches of ginger sliced very thinly, 1 pound of chicken wings, 3 tablespoons of rice wine, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or rock sugar if you have that, 3 tablespoons of dark or black sesame oil, salt as desired, and 1 cup of basil leaves with the stems removed. Heat a wok or a large cooking pan over medium-high heat and add vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the thinly sliced ginger and spread it evenly, and then allow it to cook for about a minute and then flip it to the other side. Add the chicken wings and allow it to cook on one side until browned and then flip to the other side. Sometimes it can take a while, so you can cover it to allow it to cook faster. Now pour the rice wine into the wok or pan and continue to stir fry until the chicken is almost cooked thoroughly. Then add soy sauce and stir to mix well. Next, add the sugar to the wok or pan and continue to stir fry and allow the sugar to melt completely. Now we will add the dark or black sesame oil. Stir fry to mix everything together. Let it cook for a couple more minutes or until the chicken is actually cooked thoroughly. As you do this, the sauce should start to condense and thicken. Then, the final step, add salt to taste and fresh basil leaves and stir to combine for about 20 seconds. This is apparently the perfect amount of time according to my mom. Then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make 3-cup chicken wings. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.